Contractors, want to boost your profits in 2024? If you do patios, decks, landscaping, hardscaping, windows, siding, or more, you don't want to miss this. It's the grand opening of Luxury Backyard Living, the premier factory direct outdoor living showroom in the USA. For the first time in 55 years, we're going factory direct with our Premium Pergolas, Pavilions, Sunrooms, and Screen Rooms. And now is the time to plan ahead for 2024 to make it your most profitable year ever. Imagine using the same lead, same salesperson, and same installation crew, but boosting your sales and profits by offering the industry's premier outdoor structures made right here in Michigan. They are built with the finest materials to last a lifetime, virtually maintenance-free. Can be custom made for your job, or we offer the industry's easiest to install kits that are a contractor's dream. When you plan ahead, both you and your customers will save time, money, and they will enjoy their new indoor-outdoor space even more for years to come. Plan ahead. If you build a deck, foundation first. Save money later. Complete your project with a pergola. Plan ahead. Pouring a patio? Foundation first. Save money later. Finish the job off with a pergola and boost your sales and profits with the same lead, salesperson, and crew. Quick installation. Usually in less than a day. We offer special discounts for contractors and builders, and during our grand opening, you'll save even more with our special $1,000 gift certificate on any of our structures. Pergolas, fixed or operable. Pavilions and patio covers with solid thermal roof or thermal roof with sky view. Visit our newly remodeled 15,000 square foot showroom to see and explore our life-size products and boost your sales and profits in 2024. Luxury backyard living, where you get so much more for less.